Hello party people, welcome back to the channel. Look at this thing. It's coming together so nicely. Just got the top of the roof there, and then the top parts of the bumpers are gonna be on, and then that's pretty much it. We're keeping it two-tone with that gray. Damn, Teo, how do you feel?
I feel great.
Yeah?
I feel great.
You're almost there, dude. How long have you been working on this?
A month.
A month? Yeah, a whole month. You haven't been able to drive your car. I could not go a month without driving my car, man. That's crazy. But yeah, there's a meet tonight. We might go. I'm not sure yet. We'll see. Classy.
Sweat. You should get cooler color squeegees.
They have scented ones.
Really?
Yeah.
There's scented squeegees?
Yeah.
What kind of smell would you go for?
Root beer.
Oh, not ass?
Oh, yeah.
Hey, it's the birthday boy. Carlos here to get tinted today. He's got the Civic. He's got PTSD. Yeah, you know, stay strapped. Stay humble.
What?
What happened? What's wrong with the Beamer now?
The line's broken.
Uh-oh, that's not good. Hey, Brandon's here too. Yo, whole squad rolling up here. Fuck yeah. Stay strapped, boys. There's Orbeus words about. What? You got cutouts for him but not for me?
Dude, I don't know why.
Fuck you, asshole. What you got, dude? What you got?
Kind of a
That here, bro.
Oh.
That's fucking clean.
Oh, that's fire.
Yeah, so the big.
The boy. What's good?
Oh, yeah, I come into advance with that.
Yo. I like how you,
It fucking hurts my neck, dude.
you look like the alien from fucking
American Dad.
American Dad. Yeah. What a boy. Yeah, straight into him. Yo. Beamer's still in the air. Can't figure anything out on that thing. Civic's here. Carlos here. Yeah, Brandon left, but we chilling. We're gonna go get dinner for this boy. Today's an exciting day. So you might have seen the video where we picked up this, was it 99? 99 Honda Civic. It's an EK hatch. You can see we're in it right now. We've got the whole hatch in the back there. But yeah, so we've got a lot of parts for it, and it's time to start installing some of those things, and maybe a boosted B18 swap soon. So stay tuned. Very exciting. Let's get it. Before we get started, though, we have to move some stuff in the Ford Raptor. That's what it is. That's a Raptor. Yeah.
This is a Coilover.
Oh! Oh! Jesus. Alright, gotta unload all this shit. There's a lot of it. Oh, starting with the TV. Oh! Just got back from our dump run. We've got the max speeding rods now. I didn't know he bought max speeding rods as coils. I personally don't like them that much. I had them on the ES300. You guys saw that. But we'll see how it rides on them. I mean, screw it. They are cheap. They're 180 bucks for a full set of coils. Woo! Let's go work on the Civic. So here's a little before of the car. We've got no trim on it. It's got, of course, stock ride height. And yeah, it's, you know, the wing and everything. So yeah, by the end of this, hopefully, we will have quite a different looking car here. Let's get it. A little sneak preview before you guys call cap on that turbo build that's right here. We've got piping and everything, and then here's the motor. So, I mean, yeah, it's ready to go. Just, you know, it's ready to go. Where the fuck is it? Stuck! D16 Y8 coming at you. I didn't realize how easy these were. These are only 2 on each side, which is kind of crazy. On any other cards, 3. So yeah, wild. Alrighty, a little unboxing for you guys. Got the gold knife for the gold box. The Max Peating rods. I don't know if these are the best, but we will try them out. See how they ride. Oh, there we go. Boom, boom.
Wait for it.
Wait for it. Oh, they're red. They're not even gold, bro.
What did you get for buying from eBay?
That's what I'm saying. Actually, I think mine were also red. Well, that's one way to do it. Wow! Wow! Nice.
Here it is.
There you go. Nice.
Seems like
Big schlong.
I wish I was.
Oh, they're way smaller, yeah.
Let me do something on the ground.
Alright, so unfortunately, when you buy Max Peating rods, they come way smaller than the OEM, so it doesn't even fit. It actually just kind of falls off.
I was trusting you.
Yo, apparently they came with shims. I'm kind of stupid, it's fine. Okay, we're trying this again. Carla, you can roast me all you want, it's fine. I don't mind. I can take it. Alright, so both of the front ones are in now. He's just tightening up the wheel, and then we're gonna go ahead and drop it and see how low that maxed out is, because that's pretty low. And then we still have the rears to do, but that's fine. We're gonna wait till after we eat a little bit of grub. I'm getting a little hungry. Alrighty, let's see what happens.
Oh my, it's gonna tip.
Just go, keep going. Alright, go get the other side. Oh my god! Yo, we got a lip too. Unboxing day. It's like Christmas, but better. Because I really hate Christmas. Only because when it's Christmas, you know, there's snow and all that. You can't drive your car. I mean, I can because I got an Evo. But you can't drive your car. Let's see if we can... Got stuck. There we go. Nice. Came with both in one package. That's a sweet deal. Alrighty. Let's see it.
Wait a minute.
Yeah, that looks like a rear lip. Guy, that's a rear lip.
You sure?
Yes. That's your rear one. There you go. That's more like it.
No, this is definitely the front.
No, it's definitely the rear.
Oh, never mind.
Woo! Oh, yeah. What up?
You guys ready for the gunshots?
Yes?
The gunshots?
On what, the Beamer?
On the Beamer, boy.
Woo!
What is this?
Beamer.
What is this?
What you got?
This is
It's just a piece
chaos calibration. Oh no, it ain't just a piece of paper. Oh.
Oh, yeah, pop tune.
Quite a bit more.
We like that.
I'm gonna drive like this.
Hey, bro, let's see you be
Yep.
Huh?
All right, quick dinner break over. Time to pop up the rears here and get those in. Look at that big ass wheel gap. Look at that small ass wheel gap. Alrighty, so we're putting on the rear lip real quick, and then we're gonna put on the front lip, and you know the rears are all tucking already. Holy shit, it's tucking like a motherfucker. It's gonna be even lower when we drop it down. It's gonna be crazy. All right, the last one's coming down. This thing is pretty slammed. I'm not gonna lie. Oh, the whole car's jiggling. Woohoo! No. Oh, there you go. There you go. Woo. Honestly, if we just throw some spacers on it, it might be pretty tits. But yeah, that's how
Holy
she's sitting.
fuck,
She's
it's
pretty...
so low.
Look at there's some natural camber in the rear too. Dang. Dang, boy.
Put the lip on too.
That's lit. Yeah, let's put a lip on. Hey, nice. Looking good, dude. It's got the front lip on. Got the wheels. Need spacers. Got the rear lip on. Looking pretty fire. Nice. Yeah, looking good. Alrighty, last thing we're gonna do is put in these side trims, and this car should look a lot cleaner than it did. The windows got tinted yesterday as well. They are 5% dark. Kingston Auto Styling, of course. You guys already know. It's sweet. There they are. Sick. I wonder if he has tabs though. He doesn't have no clips, so we got 2 trim pieces on, and that's about it. How do you feel about that?
It sounds better than before.
Oh, don't put that in. Oh, you can't even do it. Yo! Alrighty. Well, cool. Take it out. Let's see it. Bring it out of the garage. Dang. The come up. Fuck yeah, dude. Whoa, damn.
That's not bad.
See it from the rear. Woo! Nice,
looking pretty.
dude. She is. That's fire, bro. He rubs though. Just turning and stuff. That looks good. I mean, you know, if the wheels weren't sunken in like that, I think it'd look even better. But as it sits right now, and for not having bought new wheels or anything, that's pretty sweet. Dang, I've always wanted one, but now Carlos made the thing a reality. Yeah, you're rubbing a little there.
A bit.
Just a little bit.
Full lock, though.
Yeah. Sheesh. Beautiful way to end the day. Nice, guys. Well, that'll be it for today. I'll catch you guys in the next one. Peace. Wow, we can't roll down the windows because there is a new tint on this, so enjoy this sunset through the tint.